Okay. So, currently looking at Google Earth. He's zooming into a volcano. Ulawun. It is a strata volcano. It is a conical shape. Zoom in. Sense of the height at 2,800 meters, I believe. Oh, 2,334 meters is summit elevation of the volcano. One. It's a very strange volcano. It has this there we go. Very strange, very odd volcano. It has this deforested, devegetated area all the way around the top, up to the top of the conical shape. It has this very strange, burned out, singed look. And this is how it looks like on satellite. A little exaggerated on Google Earth, but it is a weird looking volcano. Pretty tall. This is located in Papua New Guinea. Several volcanoes in the area along the arc, but none nearly as large as this that is currently erupting. We're going to take a look at satellite images, not make time lapses, and see if we can see any signs of actual eruption on satellite as well. Big volcano. Now we can see here, just a short time ago, East New Britain province, Papua New Guinea, 5.0 earthquake, not very far from the volcano that we're currently looking at, that's currently erupting. This 5.0 earthquake happened just east, just a relative short distance east of the island in Papua New Guinea. It is alarmingly close to the volcano we're looking at. On this ridge here, 35 minutes ago, 5.0. Not very far, just a few dozen miles away from the volcano, and as lava travels, especially if it were to blast outside, would have a submarine eruption. Not saying that's what happened. It's right on the ridge. What we're looking at here is Zoom Earth. Currently looking at it in maximum resolution. The volcano right here. Indicator on that right here. I'm gonna go back a couple of days so we can push play and get a better idea of how this volcano progressed with eruption. Now, since it is a volcanic eruption and it is happening at night, we'll still be able to see the eruption. Wildfires, which too low lying, while this is an eruptive blast, brightness alone is intense. This is the 19th of November. Currently looking at the day of time lapses. Now it's going on to the next day, November 19th. Still no sign of eruption, but we know it's there. Just have to see if we can see the eruption on satellite. November 19th, still nothing. Still November 19th, still chugging along. Saw the volcano for a frame there. Still going frame by frame. Something here. Ah, yep. Eruption. That is certainly an eruption. Let's push play and still go forward, because this might not be the only other of eruption. Still going on tonight. You can still see it at night. That's the volcano right there erupting. It's got quite a night. This is the volcano Ulawun in Papua New Guinea, East New Britain. That's another eruption here coming up. This isn't just weather, condensation, precipitation. It is erupting. We'll let it play until we get to daylight so we can get more definition on the smoke and material that's being ejected in the ejecta. Whoa, 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 whoa. What? Hey. That's incredible. See all this here? Let me get rid of that. All of this here is dust. This volcano had a major eruption. A little bit here, a lot here. This little volcano here, well, not little, it's a pretty big volcano. It really kicked up a lot of dust. This is probably one of the largest ejecta plumes I've seen on satellite this year. It is powerful. Let's push play to let it go a little bit longer. It's a massive amount of material being put up in at a low altitude. Now the weather and mixes causes a lot of sky breaks, I guess you could say. Material gets put up, gets its maximum, comes back down. Continuing to play, but we saw that eruption. That was massive. Still looking, waiting for anything to pop up. It might not have been the only eruption, but it might have been the most powerful eruption that was. Just wanted to see how much wasn't still alive and not much more. Daylight. Let's go back to that last eruption that we saw. Material. Higher. Boom. Magnificent. That is huge. You're seeing this volcano. Puts up a lot of material. It's under 2,500 meters. Say that thermal inversion here and a thermal inversion here. Seeing this puncture through, create an immediate disk volcanic ejecta right at the top of the volcano. And then it billows on forward. But there's so much other material that is just absolutely everywhere. A lot of dirt, a lot of dust, a lot of ash. It is all right here, just built up over land. You don't see this the next day. All this material in the air is gone or dissipated. How dark that gets, right there, right there. You start seeing it separate finally right here. As it continues to fall, right there. Play. Keep moving. Unreal amount of power. I would say this is one of the first eruptions here. And then it just continues. Continue blasting for the night. He's blasting even stronger. Boom. Absolutely unreal. It is a gargantuan amount of material. Start seeing this where the browns up here. Eruption. These are 10-minute intervals, these frames, scans, satellite. So it goes from, sucks it in, boom. Don't know how much of the volcano blew, if any. But that looks like a tremendous eruption with a lot of material and put it in a lot of material. Now this is thermal. We'll look at thermal of this real quick. Only goes 14th, which is too far away. See if we can get some sense data on this volcano. Right there. Yep, it is a really weird looking volcano. Still got that on there. See how prominent this is here? Just like I drew, just like it shows. It's a very strange volcano. Like the top of it, like, is a dome of just nothing, air, and then you get down about halfway, and it's just an explosion of vegetation, trees, lush foliage. and then it's completely naked and barren going up. So it is a very strange volcano. It's not that exaggerated on Google Earth. It's people. One of my cats had a nightmare just a moment ago. Too tired to get on camera right now, but one of these, he gets up. Oh, okay. 16th, that's a nice date. So we don't have any data yet. We got a couple more days. We got a few more days until the next, so we can get a visual, literal sense of this volcano and its current state. Because right now we're looking at a pre-eruption, this Sentinel-1 imaging, which is like satellite imagery that crawls around the surface and it picks up anything, data. It comes back and it's the volcano. I'll 3D how well that will work here. Okay, that's actually not bad. Okay, not at all. We get a visual representation of just how big this volcano is. Now, all I can say about this, oh wow. You can see right here, eruptive blast or lava here, right on the volcano itself. And this is undoubtedly that giant plume. Exactly what we were looking at. Exactly what we were looking at in the interval, the 10-minute interval near real-time satellite image. This is a much higher resolution shot of it. That lava right here, that is on. See if we can. False color, true color. Go back to false color. And there is no moisture at all near. This is looking serious. I don't mean volcanoes are always serious, but it's just incredible. Volcano right here. Time lapse this area so we can get a better idea. See, volcano is right here. You can kind of see its mad eye right here, right at the top. These are massive eruptions that are filling the air, and you're looking at this volcano right now, it's like a little speck. So I do see right here, if you look right in the center of that, that is looking like it's lava, looking like it's erupted, been eruptive since the 11th at least. You have no visual representation of it before that, but I'm not going to dig that far back since this is already a pretty spectacular eruption. You can see just right here, between these lines, it's another blast looking eruption. And then we get to the last frame. And this is the 21st. This is massive amounts of ejecta. You can see it is still pushing out material. And again, you got the two lava cones right here. Peak. Got this up here in the that is spectacular. There's so much material that is put out. That's definitely the eruption. It's pretty incredible that it's by New Britain, and you can always find this right on the volcano here. You hear lava flow, very steep peaks. That's unreal. Let's go back just so we can get another hour. Just push play, let it play again. Seeing how significant this eruption was. It just had another 5.0 earthquake right near the volcano. See, here's all that material again. Boom. Back a little bit again. And these are in 10-minute increments, so speed of that which is going every 10 minutes, and then it's just massive explosion. And then there is here where the material is getting caught up on, or merging with the rest of the material. Let's go back. This is right now the last 10 minutes. It's can't see anything in the sky. Nothing. Felt dissipated, flattened out. Go back. Kind of see some activity down there. Way too smoky, and now it's obstructed by cloud coverage. That's the last that we have of the volcano. Right here, this 64 kilometers south of Kokopo, East New Britain Province, Papua New Guinea. 5.0 earthquake that happened relatively short flight. Incredible. All right. I think I'll play that one more time here. Play it again. Alright, well, that's all I have for this volcano right now. We'll keep our eyes on it to see if we can see another credible eruption. There's other volcanoes to talk about as well. Just going through them, just like this, ripping off the top and making sure it's something I can actually show you instead of just talking about it, because I don't want to have to resort to stealing content. I don't want to resort to... I want this to all be original content going forward, or restreaming, and no news restreaming too, because that's getting just coming out of a YouTube sentencing. Definitely don't want to stream any content that you say is yours, even if it is fair use. They can claim they don't allow you in fair use. That's just bogus. Playing the screen 1/20th the size, no volume, with subtitles that you wrote yourself. Alright, well, that's all I have today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot.